Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you have admin rights on the Facebook page and that it's linked to a Business Manager account. Once done, open Ads Manager, set the billing method, time zone, and currency so reporting matches your finance process. Next, install the Facebook pixel on your website and verify your domain in Events Manager. This enables conversion tracking and optimized bidding. Make sure to test the pixel with the Pixel Helper, because accurate data is essential for smart audience optimization and cost control. Now you create your campaign by choosing a clear objective that matches your goal, like conversions or lead generation. Once selected, build your ad set. Define the audience using saved, custom, or lookalike segments and leverage pixel events for higher intent users. After that, set budget and schedule, daily or lifetime, and pick placements or use automatic placements for efficiency. Finally, choose a bidding strategy such as lowest cost or target cost. These choices directly affect delivery, cost per result, and learning period performance. Design at least 3 ad variations with different images or short videos, headlines, and a clear CTA so the algorithm can find winners. Once your ads are ready, preview them across placements, add UTM parameters for analytics, and ensure the correct conversion event is selected. Launch the campaign and monitor metrics daily. Look at CTR, CPC, and conversion rate. If results lag, try increasing budget slowly or swapping creative. Troubleshooting tip: if tracking is wrong, recheck pixel installation and domain verification first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.